Hey everybody. So a lot of people are doing a build for a great guy in the community. His name's Doug Hensley. And I figured I'd do one for him. I know he likes race cars and mostly he does some great gassers and everything like that. And then he lives down in Kentucky. And I used to have family down in Kentucky, and one thing that always reminds me of Kentucky is, you know, rolling hills and all that, and cows and farms. But one thing that goes with racing in Kentucky is Mellow Yellow for some reason for me. I have no clue. I used to drink it when I was down there when I was a kid, I think. At least that's what I thought I drank. Drunk. And I had this kit. When I'm looking at all my race cars, I was like, well, he built a couple of those, and he built a couple of those. And I had this race car that I did the body when I was, I want to say I probably painted it when I was 15. Put the decals on it when I'm 22 or so. And clear coated it probably then. And then it sat in a box for probably another 13 years. And you know what? Maybe now it's time to bring it out and at least dedicate it to somebody. So Doug, you're helping me get the kit that hasn't got done, and to build it in honor of you. That way when it's sitting on the shelf, it'll always be like, well, that's the Doug Hensley build. And then, so that way you're always remembered in my display cabinet. So this is the body. Like I said, I did the black and green paint job. I did that probably, this kit is from the 90s. So it probably was 95 when I painted it. I think Kyle Petty was still driving this car when I painted it. I think. Don't really know anymore. And then, like I said, when I was probably about 22, I put the decals on it. You know, dug it out of the box, and I wasn't really big on putting models. I put a lot together then, but I didn't really do them like I do now. I probably had a few of them. And I had the body outside of the box. I had the body sitting on a display, like on a shelf forever, just like this. And then finally my dad had in his model collection the rest of the kit, and he's like, you know, you probably should put them together or do something with them. So I put them together, and then I sat in my stash here forever. And I think it's about time. Let's get it out. Doug, I hope you like Mellow Yellow. Hope you like Kyle Petty. But this is, you'll be helping me and I'll be helping you. Really appreciate your videos. You're a great guy. So I figured I'd build one of these for you since everybody else is. But there's the body. Paint's definitely not tacky no more. We've had plenty of time to cure. The rest of the kit hasn't been done. I think a couple pieces of this was glued together, and I glued some together last night. Just washed it up. I think it's dry enough. This is all one color, so I get it all glued up and get it ready to go. So got that. And then I just washed up a bunch of pieces here. I'm going to separate them by color and give them a good spray coat. Windshield's in there. It gets masked up and painted those steel strips that helped hold them together. Other than that, I'm going to do some cleaning on these tires, these old NASCAR tires. But here's to you, Doug. Appreciate you, as you guys from Kentucky will say, or down south. So, have a good one. And once this gets a little closer, I'll show you more. Have a good one. Talk to you later. See ya.